Good day everyone, your average rider here. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how I decided to mount a GoPro action camera to my motorcycle helmet. I'm a big fan of this helmet. This is the Icon Variant Pro. Just picked it up. Christmas present to myself, I suppose. Looking forward to testing it out once our Canadian winter is over. Long Canadian winter. I decided, after much research, to purchase some Sugru, which is a putty. You can form it and then it will bond the helmet to the GoPro mount and form an adhesive. Therefore, I no longer need the 3M that comes on the GoPro mount. Plus, it'll look better not having that gap there. The Sugru will be able to fill in the voids behind the GoPro mount. I decided to use a curved mount as it's a little bit shorter than the flat mount. And I think that's it. Let's give it a go. I have the tools I need. I have the helmet. I have the Sugru. I have the GoPro mount. As I said, I am going to be using the curved mount, which is slightly shorter than the flat mount, and I am going to be using one of the most underrated tools around, I believe, a popsicle stick. Alright, I am going to be removing the 3M from the GoPro mount. Discarding the 3M. I am going to start with 2 packs of Sugru. And I form a putty. Place it on the mount. Line it up with the top and center it best I can and squeeze. I think the project turned out really well. I'm quite happy with how the Sugru looks and how the GoPro mount almost looks like it belongs on the helmet with the camera disconnected. I found the Sugru very easy to work with. My only recommendation is to have a little cup of water next to you so that as you are forming and squeezing, that the Sugru doesn't crumble as much and it doesn't leave the fingerprints behind. It definitely has a very strong bond to it. I'm very happy with that. I have no fear of the DJI Osmo Action falling off while I'm riding. Looking forward to making videos with that. That being said, please like and subscribe. Future videos to come. Thank you.